1. Stand up straight with your feet about shoulder width apart. 2. Hold a weighted rubber plate in your right hand. Let it hang naturally at your side. 3. Place your left hand behind your head, fingers touching the nape of your neck, with your left elbow bent and pointing out to the side. 4. Keep your core tight, chest up, and shoulders back. 1. Initiate the movement by bending your torso, sideways to the right, toward the weighted plate. The right hand should move slightly down your thigh as you bend. Keep your hips stable, don't rotate or twist. 2. Crunch back up by contracting your left side obliques to pull your torso upright. Focus on moving with your core muscles, not momentum. 3. At the top, squeeze your obliques, then repeat the motion. 4. Complete desired reps, then switch sides. Plate in left hand, right hand behind neck, bend to the left. Keep the movement slow and controlled. Don't swing the weight. Avoid pulling your head with your hand. Do not lean forward or twist, just a pure side bend. 3 sets of 10-15 reps per side. Please check my next video.